Yo! What's up? I'm Adam.
I'm Patrick.
We are Guy in a Cube, and we are excited to be going to Oslo for Fabric February. Patrick, we're going.
Ooh, we're going. My first time. This is going to be my first time in Oslo.
It's my second time in Oslo.
Nice. It's my first time.
We're going to learn a lot about fabric. We're going to teach a lot about fabric. People can learn about fabric. Be a lot of networking opportunities to meet new people. So if you see us in person, come up and say hi. We want to meet you.
Please come and say hi. Come and say hi.
And then Patrick, we're doing a full day pre-con too, aren't we?
We're doing a full day pre-con, Adam. We're going to tell people all about.
We're going to introduce you to fabric, all of it.
The fabric.
All of it.
We're going to introduce you to the fabric.
The fabric.
All right. Maybe not all of it. We may leave one piece out. But for the most part, we're going to talk about everything fabric.
Yes.
Warehouses, lake houses, data integration, data flows, pipelines, you name it. We're going to talk about it.
And then we'll have another session later on in the conference. And then more importantly, though, we get to meet you. And so we're excited to see you there and to partake in all the snacks. I heard there's going to be snacks. I like snacks.
There's going to be lots of snacks. I'm going to have a lot of snacks while I'm there. I'm going to have a lot of snacks.
We will see you in February in Oslo.